In this part we are showing to how to import the mesh in this Fluent. Now the ML body is import in the Fluent. First of all, you have to select the red mesh. Okay, the mesh is already selected here, and then display button, and then you have to check the information of quality. Minimum orthogonal 7.19, maximum 2.80, maximum aspect ratio 4.18, and then you have to select the size. The cell size is 10678 and faces 21658 and nodes 10980. One cell zone, 6 faces zone. Now I have to select the data in setup. First choose the general section. Okay, in general section you have to select the solver type, pressure based, absolute, time transient, 2D space planner. Now come to the model. The model comes from viscous laminar flow. Material fluid air as a fluid here, and density comes constant, always 1, and viscosity is 0.02, because we have to take the Reynolds number is 200, that's why taking the value of 0.02. okay, now cell zone condition, fluid is default, boundary condition is inlet. Okay, dynamic mesh default, reference value compute from inlet. Okay, then come to the solution method. Scheme simple, gradient list square cell based, pressure second order, momentum first order, and then come to the solution control. Pressure is 0.3, this is density 1, body force is 1, moment 0.7, monitor the residual. Okay, coefficient of drag, coefficient of lift, and then solution initialization, compute from inlet, then accuracy 0 से 1, initialize, don't forget to initialize, calculation activity, auto save every time step 10 seconds. Okay, then run calculation. You have to set the time step 0.1 second, number of time step 0. Okay, maximum iteration या time step 250, reporting intervals 1. Then after that you have to calculate, to run the calculation. Now you have to calculate. This is calculating. See, how's the graph? This is the scale residual. Now calculation is complete.